Hi guys, I am Sarvesh. Today we will discuss Specimen Paper of 2025 of ICSE Class 10th Computer Science Computer Applications subject. Now, in the first video, I have discussed the previous question of this Specimen Paper. Now I will start from this is the question 2 and part 8. I will start from here. This is this video is continuation of the first video. Now I am starting from this question. This question in this question, a student trying to convert the string present in x. Here x is 25. This is in the x. So he's trying to convert into integer value so that he can find the square root. So it also after that converting into integer, it also finding the square root of this. So in this program, here is some error. So we have to find that error and name the type of error. Here I have to tell which type of error, syntax error, logical error, or runtime error. Now correct the code that compile the runs correctly. Now after finding error, I have to make it correct. Now move on the code part of this. If I try in if I try to find the error in this part, this is correct. Okay, here is x defining is the string type and assigning string value. That is correct. But when he is using double past double, that means it x will be changed into double. That means 25.25.5, 25.0. It will be answer. Now they are putting into int data type. Y is int type and putting in the y. So here is the error. And in this line, a error because this is value return. This method is return the double value, and they are assigning into integer. That is wrong. After that, they are counting square root. They are putting square root. We know that if I write mat.sqrt, it will return the double value. This step is also correct. And the system.out window r means this value. Now each step are correct, but this step is incorrect. Now which type of error is this? This is syntax error because when I write this before the compiling, it error will be occurred. So this type of error is known as syntax error. Now how can we correct it? So it's simple. I will write here double. I will take double data type here. So it will be changed into double. Now we can easily tackle this problem. So I am writing here clearly what will write. Instead of this int, I will write double. Double small d here. Y equals to this. This will be now correct. Now we are taking another question. Next question. It will not completely visible, so I have to zoom out here. I am trying to zoom out. Okay, we can do with the help of this button. I think it's visible now. Sorry. Now I read code each one by one. First of all, here you're defining class name is calculate, and here are two. I have to zoom this to read better visibility. First of class name is calculate. Then here in the have two instance double int a double b, and here is a method, but it is not method because its name is matched with the class name. Both spellings are same, so it will be constructor, not method. And one here return type not written, so we can easily find that it is constructor. Now this is constructor, and same name with calculate, it is another constructor, but here it is taking arguments. So this constructor is not taking any argument. So it is, here are two constructor I got in this program. Now let's see what is next here. Here are two constructors, and here is a sum. This is a method. This is a method. System.out.print a string b. So in this, what they are asking in the question, name the type of constructor used in the above program segment. They are asking about which type of a constructor. Here are two types of constructor. This is default constructor because putting the default value. Integer a is integer type, then default value of int is 0, and b is double type, then you putting here 0.0. This is default constructor. It is not taking any parameter, so it is default constructor. And this constructor is parameterized constructor. So it are this constructor taking two values and putting the values a and b. So you can write in the answer, there are two constructor. First default constructor and second parameterized constructor. Now move on the next question. 10th question. Consider the following program segment and answer the question below. Int x, this is declaring double dimension array. So in the, so I have to here make the double dimension array in the matrix form. We can write elements of this array. First I will write 2, 4, 5, 6, then 5, 7, 8, 1, 34, 1, 10, 9. I have written here the array, arrangement of array. Now if I give indexes here, then indexes will be, this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and this will be also 0, 1, 2. This is row and this is column. Now what is the position of 30? 30 is where? 30 is here. So position of 30, first I will take row and then I take column. That means here is row number is 2. So 30, this will be row number, what row index will be 2, and after that I will writing here column index is 0. So this is the first answer. A of 2, 0. This is first answer. In the second question, they are given x of 2, 3. 2, 3 means first I will take row, then column. 2, 3. That means this is third, this is second, and this is third. This element will be 9. So this will be 9. And x of 1, 2. First I will take 1, and next it is 2. This will be 8, this element. So it will be 8. When I add these numbers, because here use the plus operator, so it will be 17. Now this is answer. Let's move on the next question. So in after that, I have third question, which is in the form of program. So it will discuss in the next video. I hope you are understood this. Next questions I will cover in different video, one by one. I will discuss each with on the Blue Jay. So thank you for watching.